Welcome to the British English Academy. Now in this session, in this video, you will be watching this video due to maybe two reasons. The reason number one is that you wanted to get an idea about our study pack. අපේ study pack එක ගැන ඒ ගැන අවබෝධයක් ලබා ගන්න ඔයගලන්ට අවශ්‍ය වෙන්න පුළුවන්. අනිත් එක තමයි the second reason is maybe you have already received the study pack and you need to know how to use this effectively. Right? සමහර වෙලාවට දෙවනි හේතුව වෙන්න පුළුවන් ඔයගලන්ට මේ study pack එක දැන් ලැබිලා තියෙන්නේ. You have already joined and you received the study pack. දැන් ඔයගලන්ට දැනගන්න ඕනේ මේක කොහොමද අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්න කියලා. Right? Because if you don't get a proper idea, if you don't follow the proper procedure, you will not be able to get the expected results. අපි මේක හරියට කරේ නැත්නම් මේක පාවිච්චි කරන එක step by step කළ යුතු ආකාරයකට කළේ නැත්නම් මේකෙන් අපිට ප්‍රතිඵල ගන්න බැරි වෙනවා. It is just like making a chicken curry. Right? දැන් අපි chicken curry එකක් හදනකොට මේකේ පිළිවෙලක් තියෙනවනේ හදන්න. පළවෙනියට කරන්න ඕන මොකද්ද, දෙවෙනියට කරන්න ඕන මොකද්ද, තුන්වෙනියට කරන්න ඕන මොකද්ද කියලා. මේකේ there is a procedure. So in this one also make it there is a procedure like that. So you need to know මේකේ තියෙන්නේ මොනවද. You need to know what are the things in this study pack and how you can use it and what are the benefits that you can gain when you use this study pack effectively. So let me explain to you. This study pack contains basically a notebook, Cambridge IELTS practice book hard copy, and Cambridge IELTS practice books 1 to 13, a DVD, and participants DVD and participants handbook or the manuals. Now these are the 5 basic things that you will be receiving, and using this it will be very easy for you to get the band score that you required. While attending our sessions, you will be using this study pack in an effective way, then it will be very easy for you to achieve the band score that you required. It can be band score 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5 or even 8. We have designed this study pack in order to give you a full confidence and in order to give you a very good understanding and to achieve your band score. So the notebook. You will be getting a notebook with your study pack. The idea of this notebook is most of the time the participants when they want to take a note, ඒගොල්ලන්ට note එකක් කරගන්න ඕන වුණාම they are using a piece of paper and a pen. මේකේ ඒගොල්ලෝ හුඟක් වෙලාවට කරන්නේ කොලයක් පෑනක් පාවිච්චි කරලා මේක ලියනවා. මේ ලියපු කොලේ it's a loose paper. Then what happened after 1 week? You can't find it. It has disappeared. සතියකට පස්සේ මේක හොයාගන්න බෑ. So to avoid this problem, for you to keep records, the notes systematical way, we are giving you this notebook. Then the next one is the Cambridge IELTS practice book hard copy. So what you will do, if you are doing academic, you will be getting the academic book. If you are doing general, you will be getting the general book. So what you can do is that during your leisure time, you can do the exams which is in this book. Right? There are exam number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can do these exams which are in this book, and the answers are there. Right? The answers are there. උත්තර ටික තියෙනවා, ප්‍රශ්න ටික තියෙනවා. ඔයගලන්ට you can do it තනියම. මොකද now when you are attending the classes, you will be doing some practice test, but limited number of practice tests. But what we believe is that the more practice tests that you are doing, you will get more confidence, you will get more understanding. Right? The practice test එකක් අපේ classes වලදී අපි කරනවා, practice test කරනවා, mock test කරනවා, but අපිට කරන්න පුළුවන් with the available time period, with the allotted time plan, we can do only a limited number of exams. හැබැයි අපි හිතනවා ඕගොල්ලන් exams වැඩිපුර කරන්න you will get more confidence. ඕගොල්ලන් ගැන විශ්වාසයක් එනවා. ඒ වගේම තමයි අපිට ඉතාමත්ම හොඳ අවබෝධයක් එනවා මේ ටෙස්ට් එක ගැන. අන්න ඒක නිසා for you to do this practice test, we are giving you this Cambridge IELTS book. The third one is a DVD. තුන්වෙනි එක අපි DVD එකක් දෙනවා. මේකේ තියෙනවා Cambridge IELTS practice books from 1 to 30. එකේ ඉඳන් 13 වෙනකන් IELTS practice test එක ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා. So what you need to do is like what you did using the book. What you did using this book, you did the exams. So the same way what you can do is using this DVD. This DVD contains around like 56 test 56ක් විතර මේක ඇතුලේ තියෙනවා. So if you can do all these things, because the questions are there, answers are there. Questions ටික තියෙනවා, answers ටික තියෙනවා. එතකොට ඕගොල්ලන්ට පුළුවන් ඕගොල්ලන් ලියපු questions ටික හරිද නැද්ද කියලා බලන්න. So if you can do these all 13 books which has around 56 exams, you will be getting a very good understanding and a confidence. Basically අපේ program එක, it is a results assured program, right? We can kind of like guarantee your results, but you need to remember that we are not the one who's going to the exam. That's you. exam එකට යන්නේ අපි නෙමේ ඔබ. එතකොට අපිට කරන්න පුළුවන් දෙයක් තමයි මේ exam එක පිළිබඳව සම්පූර්ණ අවබෝධයක් දීලා මේ exam එකට ඔයගලන්ව prepare කරන එක. Now if you don't get prepared, then there is nothing we can do. But if you follow our guidelines, we can assure you the band score. It is very easy to get. Samanyan average 7.5. 7 කියන්නේ නම් very easy band score එකක්. It's a very easy band score 7. You can go up to 7.5. Even our students, they are getting 8, 8.5. Even like for certain elements, they are getting even 9. So this is very it is possible. මේක පුළුවන් දෙයක් මේක කරගන්න. බෑන්ඩ් ස්කෝර් එක ගන්න අමාරුවක් නැහැ. So please use this one. මේකේ පාවිච්චි කරන්න. මේකේ තියෙන ටෙස්ට් එක අඩුම ගානේ මේ ටෙස්ට් වලින් 75%ක්වත් කරන්න. 75%ක්වත් කරන්න. දවසකට එක ටෙස්ට් එක ගානේ කරොත් මාසයක් වගේ යනකොට you can do around 75% of the tests which are in this CD. Right? Okay. The next one is the participants DVD. Now this is a DVD because this has so many material. මේකේ ඔයගලන්ට IELTS වලට අවශ්‍ය materials ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. Now it is very difficult for us to මේ materials ඔක්කොම ටික අපි ඔයගලන්ට download කරගන්න දෙනවා, email කරගන්න දෙනවා කියන එක, it's not that practical. So what we want to do is we wanted to give you this CD which has all the materials that you required. ඕගලන්ට exam එකේ preparation වලට අවශ්‍ය හැම material එකක්ම මේ DVD එකේ තියෙනවා. And now, right, later on I will guide you how to use this. මොකද මේ ඇත්තටම මේ session එක තියෙන එක reason එකක් තමයි for you to give a complete understanding. ඕගලන්ට පැහැදිලි කිරීමක් කරන්න මේ DVD එකේ තියෙන්නේ මොකක්ද? මේ participants DVD එකේ තියෙන්නේ මොකක්ද? මේ participants DVD එක පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ කොහොමද? ඔයගලන්ගේ English knowledge එක improve කරන්න, ඒ වගේම ඔයගලන්ගේ IELTS skills improve කරන්න. Now we have many students. අපිට students ගොඩක් ඉන්නවා. As soon as we get the students registered, register වුණායින් පස්සේ we are sending them this package. Right? එතකොට මේ එක එක්කෙනාට වෙනම මේක පැහැදිලි කරලා දෙනවා කියන්නේ that is difficult thing. Right? If we are going to explain this one to each person, right, separately, it will take a lot of time. So instead of, we thought of giving you this video, right, and in this video you will be guided and you will be getting an understanding to on how to use this the study materials in a proper way. Right? Okay. Next one is the participants handbook or participants manual. Now actually one of the problems that we are facing is, now recently we started with some new study materials. Right? We will be doing during our sessions we will be doing more on hands-on experience and practical sessions. Practical sessions ගොඩක් අපි කරනවා. එතකොට මේ practical sessions වලට ඔයගොල්ලෝ ළඟ තියෙන්න ඕනේ there are certain materials that you need to have, right, to do this in an effective way. මේක හොඳට කරන්න සාර්ථකත්වයක් එන විදිහට කරන්න මේකට අපිට අවශ්‍ය වෙනවා materials ටිකක්. එතකොට මේ materials ටික ඔයගොල්ලෝ ළඟ තිබුණොත් it will be very easy, right? So in this participants manual මේකේ තියෙනවා පිටු 180ක් විතර තියෙනවා. මේකේ තියෙනවා listening, reading, writing and speaking වලට practical guidance, and using these things we will be doing many practical sessions. So that one also you will be getting. හැබැයි අපේ sessions කරනකොට මේක අවශ්‍ය වෙනවා. So you will not do this thing alone. You will be using this manual or the handbook when you are working with us, right? Okay, now the මේකේ මේ ටිකේ වැදගත්ම එක තමයි මේ participants DVD එක. The most important one in this is the participants DVD because it contains lot of information and you need to know how to use these informations in a proper way. මේක හරියට පාවිච්චි කරන විදිය දැනගත්තොත් තමයි අපිට මේකෙන් හොඳට ප්‍රතිඵලයක් ගන්න පුළුවන්, right? So what is this participants DVD? Participants DVD is a complete set of materials that help you to improve your English knowledge and IELTS skills that are required for you to get your band score. During your IELTS test, two things will be checked. First one is your English knowledge and the second one is the IELTS skills. So you need to improve your English knowledge as well as IELTS skills. That's why this participants DVD is there, right? Even your English knowledge is not that good. Now it is expected, right? We are අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මේ සිංහලෙන් කතා කරන්නේ සිංහලෙන් ගොඩ දෙනෙක් ඉගෙන ගත්තේ මේ වගේ සිටුේෂන් එකක් තියෙනකොට ඒක natural that your English is not that good. හැබැයි English එක not that good කියලා we can't give up IELTS test නේ. අපිට IELTS එක අතහැරලා දාන්න බෑ මොකද අපේ English හොඳ නැහැ කියලා. So this participants DVD will help you to improve your English. අපි මේක හුඟක් වෙලාවට හදලා තියෙන්නේ මේ DVD එක for you to you will be able to do the studies by yourself. දැන් මේකේ තියෙන සමහර ගොඩාක් දේවල් ඕගොල්ලන්ට තනියම කරන්න පුළුවන්. Now our recommendation is now you have to do these things. මේක ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ leisure time එකේ කරන්න. හැබැයි මොනවා හරි problems ආවොත් you can write down the problems and whenever we are having individual sessions you can discuss with us, right? Or you can just call us, make an appointment, then you can clarify these things, right? Then also this is a kind of a self-study material pack. As I told you, මේක තනියම ඔයගලන්ට කරන්න පුළුවන්. මොකද අපි class එකේදී කරන time එක is not enough. We can't do the classes 24 hours a day, right? 24ම අපිට classes කරන්න බෑ. හැබැයි අපි how we have designed our program, අපේ program එක design කරලා තියෙන්නේ our study material, study pack එක, your self study හැකියාව, ඒ වගේම අපේ classroom sessions මේ තුනම combine කරලා තමයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ knowledge එක අවශ්‍ය ප්‍රමාණයට ගෙනියන්න අපි plan කරලා තියෙන්නේ, right? And in this video we want to give you an understanding on what is this DVD and how to use them effectively. Basically මේ video session එකෙන් අපිට අවශ්‍ය වෙලා තියෙන්නේ මේ DVD එක ගැන. participants DVD එක කොහොමද පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ, මේකේ contents මොනවද, මේකේ අන්තර්ගතය මොනවද, මේවයින් අපිට මොකක්ද කරන්න පුළුවන් කියන එක පැහැදිලි කරලා දෙන්න, right? මොනවද මේ what are the contents of this participants DVD? මේ participants DVD එකේ තියෙන ටික අපි බලමු මුලින්ම. marking criteria එක තියෙනවා. දැන් මම මෙතෙන්දි පැහැදිලි කරන්නම් ඕගලන්ට marking criteria එක කියන්නේ අපේ මේ අවශ්‍ය band score එකට අපි හිතමු බෑන්ඩ් ස්කෝර් 7 අවශ්‍ය නම් මේ 7 බෑන්ඩ් ස්කෝර් එක ලබා ගන්න අපි විසින් අප විසින් කළ යුතු දේවල් සැපිරිය යුතු දේවල් ටික, right? The things that we need to achieve if you want to get, like, let's say for band score 7 you need to get band score 7 in writing. So what are the things that your writing should match, right? Writing එකක් නම් අපි මොනවද match කරන්න ඕනේ band score 7 එක ගන්න. So in this way, by looking at this marking criteria, මේ marking criteria එක බැලුවහම you will get a very good understanding about ඔයාගේ band score එකට අවශ්‍ය අපි කළ යුතු දේවල් මොනවද කියන එක. අපි paper එක ලියනකොට අප විසින් මේ ලබා දිය යුතු the things that we need to supply to the examiner ට අපි මොනවද දෙන්න ඕනේ අපිට band score 7 ගන්න, right? So this is the marking criteria and you need to have an understanding about this marking criteria. Next one is the answer sheets. Answer sheets අපි මේක දීලා තියෙනවා. So what you need to do is you need to get printouts. මේ answer sheets වල printouts ටික අරගන්න. එතකොට දැන් අපි practice test එකක් කරනකොට අපේ class එකේ practice test එකක් කරනකොට හරි even when you are doing a practice test by yourself, right? At whatever the instant, please use these the answer sheets. These answer sheets are the same answer sheets, same kind of answer sheets that you will get during your IELTS test, right? During your IELTS test. So when you are practicing writing answers using the same sheet, it will be an added advantage for you. So you will be having answer sheets for listening, reading and writing, right? Please get printouts and you need to use these answer sheets when you are doing practice test or mock test. Then you will be having listening help, audio books and audio clips. Now what happens? අපිට හුඟක් වෙලාවට අපේ මේ listening test එක අපිට අමාරු වෙන්නේ ඇයි? අපිට marks එන්නේ නැත්තේ ඇයි? අපිට ඇහෙන දේ අපිට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. Right? The things what we hear that sometimes we don't understand. එහෙම නැත්නම් පැටලෙනවා. ඇයි ඒක වෙන්නේ? Because our ears are not used to English language. අපේ කන් දෙක අර සිංහල වලට වගේ නෙමෙයි English වලට හුරු වෙලා නැහැ. Then what you need to do is that අපේ කන් දෙකට අපි ඇහෙන්න සලස්සන්න ඕනේ English words, conversations, right? English words and conversations. That's why we are recommending you to listen to BBC, Australian radio, Canadian radio, New Zealand radio and American radio. Now if you visit our website www.ielts.edu.lk, you will be having links for you to reach those radio stations and listen to those things. But however, in this listening help, the participants DVD එකේ තියෙන listening help එකේ you will have some audio books and audio clips. So all what you need to do is just listen to them, right? Just listen to them. The next one is we call pre-IELTS. In pre-IELTS we will be having 3 books. Insight into IELTS with audio. This is a Cambridge University Press book. And Grammar Practice Longman book and Reading Comprehension Skills and Strategies. So what you need to do is දැන් ඇයි මේක මේ pre-IELTS කියන්නේ? දැන් සමහර අයට IELTS වලට අවශ්‍ය සම්පූර්ණ knowledge එක මදි අය කියලා හිතනවනම් දැන් හුඟක් අය කියනවානේ මට මුල ඉඳන්ම පටන් ගන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට මේ pre-IELTS කියන්නේ මේ මුල ඉඳන්ම පටන් ගන්න එක. right? ඒ කියන්නේ IELTS වලට කලින් අපි මේක කළොත් අපිට IELTS වලට අවශ්‍ය හොඳ band score එකක් අපිට එනවා. right? band score එකක් එනවා, අපිට හොඳ knowledge එකක් එනවා. එතකොට මේ insight into IELTS මේකේ book එක තියෙනවා, audio එක තියෙනවා. So all what you need to do is audio එක play කරන ගමන් මේ book එක complete කරන්න. It's a very simple book. But it can help you a lot. ඊළඟ එක තමයි grammar practice එක. Basically for your IELTS you need to use grammar. Right? When you are writing you need to write grammatically and when you speak you need to speak grammatically. Right? So මේ grammar book එකත් පාවිච්චි කරන්න මුල ඉඳන්ම මේක ඕගොල්ලන්ව ගයිඩ් කරනවා. right? මේ grammar වල මොනවා හරි කරගෙන යනකොට අපහසුතාවයන් තියෙනවා නම් තේරෙන්නේ නැති තැන් තියෙනවා නම් you can always call us, make an appointment, make a individual session and discuss these things. තේරෙන්නේ නැති දෙයක් තියෙනවා නම් අපිට call එකක් දීලා appointment එකක් දාලා individual session එකක් වෙලාවෙදී මේ ටික clarify කරගන්න. right? And the next one is the reading comprehension skills and strategies. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙතෙන්දී අපිට හුඟක් වෙලාවට උදව් වෙන්නේ මුල ඉඳන්ම අපේ රීඩිං වලට අවශ්‍ය ස්කිල්ස් ටික මොනවද, කුසලතාවයන් මොනවද, ස්ට්‍රැටජිස් අපි භාවිතා කළ යුතු උපක්‍රම මොනවද කියන එක තමයි මේකේ තියෙන්නේ. so මේකත් අර බේසික් වල ඉඳන් තියෙන බුක් එකක්. so you can use this book also to improve your English knowledge. එතකොට මේ pre IELTS එක අපි ස්පෙෂලි මෙතනට දාලා තියෙන්නේ if you think that your English knowledge is not enough මේ ටික කරන්න. even you think your English knowledge is enough, that's okay, do this one. It's fun. Right. The next one is that we have included some dictionaries here. Dictionaries දාලා තියෙනවා. එකක් තියෙනවා large English dictionary, that is a normal English dictionary. Then also we have a pet vocabulary list එක. right? And then we have the Oxford Treasures A to Z dictionary for dictionary of synonyms. එතකොට මේ තුන තියෙනවා. මේ තුනේ තියෙනවා වචන තියෙනවා ඔයගලන්ට අවශ්‍ය වෙලාවට රිෆර් කරන්න පුළුවන්. ස්පෙෂලි මේ pet vocabulary list එකයි this one and this one. මේ දෙක හොඳට බලා ගන්න. මෙන්න මේ ස්පෙෂලි මේකේ මේ Oxford book එකේ words ටික ඔයගලන්ට අඩුම ගානේ මේ words වලින් 25%ක්වත් ඔයගලන්ට ගන්න පුළුවන් නම් that can help you a lot. දැන් මෙතෙන්දී අපි මොකක්ද කරන්නේ මේ Oxford words වලින් or pet vocabulary list එකෙන් අපි කරන්නේ මේ වචනේ ගන්න. වචනේ අරගෙන ඊට පස්සේ මේ වචනේ තේරුම ගන්න. තේරුම අරගෙන ඊට පස්සේ මේ වචනේ දාලා sentence එකක් හදන්න. වචනේ දාලා sentence එකක් හදන්න. that will help you a lot. Then there is another one called 202 useful exercises for IELTS. Now with this 202 මේ 202 කියන එක it can help you a lot. දැන් අපේ experience තියෙනවා අපි ළඟ. we have the experience, we have the classic examples that we have like we had some students, they could not reach more than 15 or sometimes their listening is 9, right? මේ IELTS 202 book එකෙන් පස්සේ their listening skills has improved and answers ටික 25 30 අතර ගිහිල්ලා තියෙනවා. and not only for listening වලට විතරක් නෙමේ, there are exercises to help you reading and writing also. right? ඔයගලන්ගේ reading වලටත් writing වලටත් උදව් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. උදව් වෙන්න අවශ්‍ය exercises මේකේ තියෙනවා. this is a very useful book. මේක උගාක්ම ප්‍රයෝජනවත්. මේකෙන් ඔයගලන්ගේ it can improve your skills. It can improve your listening skills, reading skills and writing skills. And then IELTS sample essays. There are sample essays 150ක් මෙතන තියෙනවා. 150ක් තියෙනවා. මේකෙන් හුඟක් වෙලාවට මේක වැදගත් වෙන්නේ අපිට හුඟක් වෙලාවට වෙන දෙයක් තමයි. even when it comes to the essay writing, අපි මේ topic එකට අදාළ කරුණු නැහැ අපි ළඟ. we don't know what to write about this, right? so if you need to have some idea about a topic, so මේකේ තියෙනවා sample test 150ක්. there are 150 sample essays. just go through these things and read. even 2-3 times you read it and it can provide you with enough information what to write, right? then ඊළඟ එක තමයි අපේ මෙතන include කරලා තියෙනවා reading helping books. sometimes you are having difficulties in reading, so මේ books ටික කියවන්න. they are very interesting books, right? පොඩ්ඩක් මේක කම්පියුටරේ on කරගෙන open කරගෙන you need to read these books and those things can improve your English. මේක කියවගෙන යන ගමන් තේරුම් ගන්න බලන්න, right? දන්නේ නැති වචන තියෙනවා නම් කොලේක ලියා ගන්න, පොතේ ලියා ගන්න, notebook එකේ ලියා ගන්න. then you can like learn those things. right? So මේකත් පාවිච්චි කරන්න, and all these materials are specially designed to help your IELTS band score, right? The next one is the collocations. මේකේ තියෙනවා collocation list දෙකක් තියෙනවා. අපි during our class we will be discussing what are these collocations. collocations කියන්නේ මොනවද, ඒක කොතනද use කරන්න කියන එක අපි කතා කරනවා. but collocation list දෙකක් තියෙනවා, collocation words list දෙකක් තියෙනවා. just keep those things and refer those things. ඊළඟ එක තමයි we have the speaking help, right? speaking help එක යටතේ අපේ තියෙනවා cue cards දෙනවා. then there are about 100 IELTS speaking part 2 topics and 101 IELTS speaking part 2 topic cards. So all these things are there. Make a hungak velawata. Then what you can do is you can improve, right? IELTS speaking questions. They can IELTS speaking test ke areas tunak tiyena. There are 3 sections. During the first section they are asking questions about you. ඔයා ගැන තමයි අහන්නේ. එතකොට මේ අපි කිසියම් කෙනෙක් ගැන අහන්න පුළුවන් questions ප්‍රමාණයක් තියෙනවා. And during the history of the IELTS test we have a record what sort of questions they have had asked, right? So we have all these things. So what you need to do is මේ ටික කියවන්න. You need to go through this and like you can do kind of like a role play. You ask the question, you answer. You ask the question, you answer. Then there is another one for IELTS speaking topic areas. So all those things, these cue cards, 100 IELTS speaking part 2 topics, 101 part 2 topic cards, speaking question 1, speaking topic areas, all these things can help your speaking. During our session we will be doing some individual sessions and combined sessions for speaking, but these things can help you a lot. So please use these things. Then also there are like part 1 topic questions, like what sort of topics that they will use during part 1. For an example, hobbies, travel, food, then reading. මේ හැම ඒරියා එකටම අදාළව ඒගොල්ලෝ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අහන questions ටික තියෙනවා. ඒ questions ටිකත් හොඳට බලලා පුරුදු වෙන්න, right? You don't need to කටපාඩම් කරගන්න එපා, but you need to know. අපේ එකපාරට අපි දන්නේම නැතුව එකපාරට question එකක් අහනවට වඩා අපි prepare වෙලා ගියොත්, if we have prepared for to answer these questions in advance, it will be much easier, right? It will be much easier. Then the 11th one is the vocabulary. This is a very important one. And under this vocabulary, ekath ekka there is one topic specific vocabulary, right? එක topics වලට අදාළ වචන මොනවද that we need to use, right? And then the confusable essay outlines, how you should outline your essay, the words that you can use, essay vocabulary. අපි essay එකක් ලියනකොට when we are writing an essay, what sort of vocabulary should we use? And essay writing common lines. When we are writing an essay, what are the common lines that we can use? Then there is another one, idioms A to Z. When you are writing and when you are speaking, it is an advantage, it is a plus point if you can use idioms. So we have given a list of idioms A to Z. Then also another one with idioms and meaning. So both these things can help you. This one and this one is almost similar but not the same, right? But you can improve your knowledge. Then there is another one, IELTS Interactive Self-Study 200 Advanced Vocabulary Question Book. There are questions and answers. So what you can do is you can go through this. There are 200 vocabulary questions you can answer. Then you can go back and you can see the answers there and compare your answers and the answers that they supplied. මොකක් හරි වැරද්දක් තියෙනවා නම් ආයි බලන්න. Now if you do all these things, vocabulary is something that can help you a lot. Normally vocabulary වලට, right, in your writing part, they will be giving you 25% weight එකක් තියෙන ඕගොල්ලන්ට ලැබෙන marks වල, right? 25% of the marks that you get is for vocabulary. Then IELTS vocabulary for all areas, all the areas, that possible areas you will get, and what are the words that you can use, right? Then proverbs and sayings, and this is a very important one, the ultimate vocabulary builder for IELTS, right? This is very important. That's what we said, it's important. Now this book can help you to get even 8 for IELTS speaking and writing. Even these words you will find in your reading part. So this is a very important one, right? This is a very, very important one, and please go through this. Please study this very religiously. Then there is like commonly misspelled words, right? Commonly misspelled words are there, because sometimes when we are writing the word, right, we don't spell correctly, and there are common mistakes when it comes to spelling, and all those things are there. Then writing, reading and speaking must know words, the words that you should know. මේ වචන ටික දැනගෙන හිටියා නම් it will be easy for you to get an understanding about the reading, and also you can score for writing and speaking. And these are the recommended words, and actually these are that words that you must know, compulsory for IELTS. Then in the writing part, there are common IELTS essay titles, right? Common essay titles, so you can get ready for these things, right? You can get ready for these things, and who knows, maybe you will get a similar one in your writing. And spelling rules, this is again very important for you to write the words using the correct spelling. So the spelling rules workbook is there. Then the grammar help, right? Grammar is one of the criteria that they check. So under this grammar help, you will get a list of irregular verbs and list of prepositions and prepositions book. Normally, when we are talking about the mistakes that people are doing with grammar, right, 82% of the mistakes are from verbs and prepositions, either from verbs or prepositions. So if you know the right way of using verbs, right, and the prepositions, you can reduce this number of mistakes. Right? And about the verbs and the tenses, we'll be doing a separate session in our class, so nothing to worry about that. Right. Then the last one, but not the least, there are recommended songs for you to improve your speaking. Now actually, the people say one of the best ways for you to improve your speaking is to sing songs. ඔයාගේ කතාව හොඳට දියුණු කරගන්න එක විදිහක් තමයි ගීත ගැයීම. ඇයි මේ? Why is this? Because when you're singing these songs, right, you will learn how to control your voice, intonation, under උස්පහත් කිරීම, how to vary your voice, right, when you are speaking. If you can vary your voice, if you can use intonation. Now actually, when it comes to the speaking, intonation is one of the criteria that they check, right? So there are recommended songs, the songs are there, the video is there, the lyrics are there. So all what you need to do is you need to play this and sing the song with the singer. Sing the song like a karaoke, right? It's fun, but at the same time it will improve your speaking, right? It will improve your speaking. So those are the contents that you get in your participants DVD. Now the participants manual or the handbook, this contains all the printed material that you required for your IELTS learning. The material that you required to do the practical applications to get a clear understanding on developing your IELTS skills. Right? And also we'll be having 2021 focused IELTS mock test papers, because during your session we'll be doing 2 mock tests that are focused on 2021 IELTS exam. Right? So all these things are there. Participants handbook එක අපිට අවශ්‍ය වෙන්නේ අපේ sessions වලදී, and during the sessions we will be explaining you how to use this. Right. And there is another one called progress monitoring chart. Right, this is something very important that I want you to do. Now this is an example of progress sheet. So what happens, there is a class number, date, test number, and when you do the listening, out of 40 questions, how many you got? Let's say you got 32. What is your band score? 7.5. Reading, out of 40, how many you got? 30. What is your band score? Maybe 6. For writing, part 1, what did you get? Part 2, what did you get? So what you need to do is you need to keep a track of your performance, your progress. When we are doing this, we can see whether there is an improvement in your listening, whether there is an improvement in your reading by looking at the band score that you receive. The same thing for writing and speaking. Right? Then it will give us a clear indication about your progress. Do you have a progress or you don't have a progress? Is your progress is enough? හැබැයි මේ progress එක යන්නේ හුඟක්ම අඩුවෙන්ද? Then we can apply certain other methods to improve your performance, to make your performance progress more faster. Right? මේක මම ඇත්තටම මේ session එකේදී I'm telling you this thing that you need to do this. This is included in the participants manual. Please keep on filling this one. Keep on filling this one, because what we need to do whenever we are having individual sessions, you need to take a picture of this and send us. Then we know what was your performance during past 3-4 weeks, or what is your current performance, how your progress is happening. Is there an issue? Because sometimes we may have to go into details, analyze your progress into details and see where is the problem. Right? And this progress sheet helps us a lot for that. So please make sure that you will fill this one. This is already in your participants manual. Right. Now these are our contact details. Anytime you can contact Nivantika, or you can write to any of these emails. If you have any issue with your study pack, or if you need more further help on using the study pack. Right. And that's all about the study pack. Basically we want you to get an understanding on how to use this study pack in an effective way. So it will be very easy for you to achieve your band score, what you required. Okay. Thank you so much.